चाट का अगर बात आए तो वहाँ पर समोसा चाट, रगड़ा चाट, पापड़ी चाट, सो दिस आर द मेन थिंग्स ये आता है। और राज कचौरी भी है, तो हम लोग आज उसको ट्राई करेंगे। लच्छे टोकरी बोलते हैं। और उसके साथ तो है ही आपका लस्सी, जलेबी, सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स है।
Hey guys, this Savan is from you, and today we are at Bikanerwala, Kondarpur, Hyderabad. So let's go.
आज हमने डिसाइड किया जम के खाएंगे, कचौड़ी खाएंगे, चाट खाएंगे, आपका गोलगप्पे खाएंगे, लस्सी खाएंगे, जलेबी खाएंगे एंड छोले भटूरे भी। तो चलिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ।
पानी पूरी, एक लच्छा टोकरी, एक पापड़ी चाट बना।
Okay, so we are now at Bikanerwala, and we have ordered like tons of dishes. So let's see what they are. So first we've ordered this chaat, papdi chaat, and then we've ordered golgappes,
पानी पूरी एक्चुअली उसने सील करके दिया है, सो विच इज़ गुड, यू हैव टू ओपन इट।
and then
पानी पूरी के साथ ये आपका पुदीना का वो वाटर, और ये आपका इमली का वाटर, ऐसा कुछ वो टमाटर
चटनी होगा,
वाटर, और ये आपका वो मसाला।
and then we've ordered the
लच्छा टोकरी। बेसिकली ये आलू का वो टोकरी जो है, ये पोटैटो से, आलू से बनता है, एंड उसके ऊपर टन्स ऑफ मसाला, दही वगैरह वो सारा डाल के एकदम बढ़िया सा प्रिपरेशन है।
and then we've ordered the kesari lassi.
केसरिया लस्सी।
So let's dig in. I'm gonna start with the golgappes. So now we have arranged the puris and they look beautiful. Wow. I mean, this is purely heaven in a sphere. Heaven in a sphere. This is the new name of this pani puri. Huge blast of tanginess, because this pani is like extremely tangy, and this pani is known for this tanginess. Wow. I'm just gonna have the pani a lot more. It is so good. Chaat. So here it comes with obviously papdi, and then bundis, fried bundi, and then you can see dahi, which is curd or yogurt, and then I can see the red chutney, and then I can see the pudina chutney. Okay, I will try this with my hand. This chaat is mainly known for its sweetness in it. It's like really sweet, but also spicy. I don't know how they do this, but it's also spicy. Like you, after having it completely, then you suddenly get spiciness inside your mouth. It's just spicy, and then it's like really tangy and crunchy, just mind blowing. So now we're gonna try the Lachha Tokri, and I've never tried this before, so this is gonna be new for me too. So here it also has like the save and the pudina chutney, the dahi, the sweet chutney, and then it's also topped off with beetroot, coriander powder, and the bundi. So pretty. So the tokri is like the bowl itself is made of potatoes. So yeah, let's have it. Oh. Ooh. Wait, is that paneer? Look at that. It's like completely filled with more veggies. Ah. Okay, this is really hard to break. Oh no, this is a huge piece. Whoa. This has a really exciting flavor to it. I mean, I get paneer. So I get paneer and then this dal. Wait, these are sprouts dal. Lentils, yeah. Lentils. And then I get the flavor of the sweet chutney and then the coriander chutney. And overall, this is such an incredible experience to have. Look at that, I got the paneer chunk. I think the paneer chunk is like kacha, is like raw, and it tastes so good. So now we are on to dessert. So here we've got the kesari jalebi, and yeah, so it's also topped up with chopped up almonds and pistas. So let's have it. The fact that the jalebi is like still like fried crispy, like this is the perfect jalebi crispiness I could ever say. And like the chopped up almonds give it a lot more fruity taste, and this kesari jalebi is just so yummy. I love it, I really do. So now, on to the drinks. So here we've got the kesari lassi, and it is served in a clay glass. I've never seen this before in any restaurant. Oh my god, I get to drink from a clay glass. This is just so amazing. Okay, let's drink it. Wow, the lassi is like incredibly thick and creamy, and usually most lassis are really like extremely sweet, which is too much for me. And this one is not really that sweet. It's like perfectly balanced. Oh, and I could taste a little bit of the saffron in my mouth, and also a little fruit pieces. I don't know. They're definitely fruit pieces. And there's a little surprise. So they've actually put cream inside the lassi. I'll try the cream a little, because why not? Oh, it's tangy. I thought it'd be sweet. It's good anyway.
तो ये आ गया है आपका छोले भटूरे, जो हमारे लिए ऑल टाइम फूड है। ब्रेकफास्ट में आप दे दो, लंच में दे दो, डिनर में दे दो, स्नैक्स में दे दो, वी आर रेडी टू हैव इट। 2 पीस पूरी के साथ, ये देखिए छोले का टेक्सचर देखिए, वाओ। इसमें मिर्ची ऊपर है, ऊपर क्या है, आलू, थोड़ा वो सूखा वाला आलू भी है। ये है आपका वो ऑनियन, और ये अचार के साथ। So this is the tasting time. ठीक से हुआ नहीं, चलिए। इस एक बाइट में थोड़ा नींबू का अचार भी दे देते हैं। दिस इज़ कंप्लीट बाइट। चने, सूखे हुए आलू, सूखा आलू का चाट, ऑनियन और नींबू का अचार के साथ, ये लीजिए। बहुत ही बढ़िया। पूरी बहुत लाइट है, आपका ऑयल उतना चिपचिपा नहीं है, लग तो रहा है हाथ में थोड़ा, पर उतना चिपचिपा नहीं है। छोले जितना स्पाइसी दिख रहा है, छोले जितना स्पाइसी दिख रहा है, उतना स्पाइसी फील नहीं आ रहा है। बट ओवरऑल कॉम्बिनेशन, थोड़ा और ज़्यादा नींबू का अचार देना है। ये आलू के साथ ये आपका अचार और थोड़ा दे दो, ऑनियन डालो, और उसके बाद एक मिर्ची का बाइट लो। अब आया स्वाद, अब आया स्वाद। छोले भटूरे always good, always good.
So guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and share the video too. So goodbye, see you soon.